This skill saw is a great addition to DeWalt's 20V max line of the tools. My first reaction after using this skill saw for a while was just wow, this thing is amazing. The motor they use is smooth as silk and powerful. I was hoping to wait till DeWalt incorporated their brushless motor into the skill saw, but I needed it, so I bought it. Man, am I happy I did. I really love this skill saw. This is a superb saw. It has all of the features and power of a top-quality corded skill saw, and it's lightweight. With the 4Ah and 5Ah batteries, it does the work of a heavy-duty skill saw. I've been in construction since 1980, and have used most all light and heavy-duty power tools. This skill saw ranks among the best I've used in cordless saws. Just remember your blade choice is the most important factor in how effective this saw will perform. Please see my blade recommendation below. Others have commented on its longevity with their batteries, 1.5Ah and 2Ah batteries, regarding they drain fast. The smaller DeWalt batteries are going to drain faster. This skill saw is powerful, and puts a heavy load on the batteries. With this saw, you need the high-capacity 4Ah and 5Ah batteries, Model 204 and 205. This saw will work with any and all of DeWalt's 20V max batteries, but the lower capacity batteries aren't recommended. I only use DeWalt's 4.0Ah and 5.0Ah batteries, and with those, I can use this skill saw all day long, with one battery lasting most of the day, and usually all of the day. Features: this skill saw has a blade brake, which is a very nice feature in any skill saw. As soon as you release the trigger, the brake engages, and stops the blade from spinning within seconds. This skill saw also directs the cut material away from the user, and away from your line of sight. This skill saw has the ability to cut from a directly perpendicular, 90 degrees, and also can cut up to a 50-degree angle. This is a nice lightweight skill saw, and that greatly cuts the fatigue you would feel from using a traditional skill saw all day long. This skill saw allows for a direct line of sight to the blade and working surface. This is much like the design of a worm drive saw, a roofer's saw. The design of most all other skill saws have the motor and the blade on opposite sides, so the skill saw operator would need to look over the top of the saw to see his work surface. This is not the case with this DeWalt skill saw. The front and the main handle has a rubber overmold, and this gives the operator a great and comfortable grip on the skill saw. This makes it safer and easier to control. Blade choice is important. This skill saw uses a standard 5/8" arbor, which gives the owner a wide selection of blade choices. There is a lot of new blades out today that use thin curve cuts. This means the width of the cut is very thin, usually about 1/16 of an inch thick. Just know that these are basically cheap and throwaway blades. You also need to know, the thinner the tooth, the faster it will dull. Please see blade recommendation below. This blade here, Vermont American 6½ 40T smooth cut carbide teeth circular saw blade, is one of the best blades you can buy for this saw. It's an extremely high quality blade, and the same blades that I use professionally every day. It can be resharpened many times before needing replacement. It's very sharp, and uses very high quality carbide teeth. I very highly recommend this saw blade. To end, this DeWalt skill saw is a professional quality skill saw, and will last you for many years. Everything about this skill saw is very high quality, and built very well. Very highly recommended.